I'm Dr. Dave Harris, audiologist for SLUCare Department of Otolaryngology, and I'll be talking to you about taking care of your hearing aids. Your audiologist will discuss the hearing aid care with you at your hearing aid dispense and follow-up visits. However, there are a few simple things that any hearing aid wearer can do to help prolong the life of their hearing aids. Taking good care of your hearing aids daily will help the device last as long as possible. When you take your hearing aids out at the end of the day, it is best to quickly clean them off. Wipe the hearing aid off with a clean, soft cloth. Then clean the areas of the hearing aid where the sound goes in and where the sound comes out. The sound goes into the hearing aid at the microphone. This area should be brushed off with a clean brush. Lastly, inspect the part of the hearing aid where the sound comes out, the part of the hearing aid that goes in your ear. The way that you clean this area depends on the type of hearing aid that you use. But this portion of the hearing aid must be clean of wax and debris so that sound coming out of the hearing aid is not blocked. When the hearing aids are not being worn, they should be kept in a safe place such as a charger or the hearing aid case. A great place to store your hearing aids overnight is in a hearing aid drying kit, especially if you're concerned about sweat, humidity, or other moisture causing problems with your hearing aids. If you have any questions about cleaning or storing your hearing aids, you should always ask your audiologist. Click one of the videos to learn more.